Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print margin report of point of sale. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev POS Margin Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to point of sale app, go to reporting menu and see here this menu POS Margin Report. Now click on add date 1st to 30 October, add customer and select cashier. Here available two options, print in PDF format or print in Excel. First I want to print in PDF format and see here POS margin report in PDF format. Display here from date to date, order number, salesperson is admin, customer Anita and Peterson, total cost, unit price and margin. Now I want to print in Excel and also display in Excel format. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe.